So we've got the wooden parts. Still in their original sealed plastic. And then we've got these bits. Electric motor. Another electric motor. That'll be the drive motor, that'll be the steering. Plug-ended. That's the controller. So that must be the, yeah, that's the receiver. It even feels like the glue might be okay. We'll try it. If it doesn't, I've got some white glue anyway. So, put that down there. Start up there. I'll do two versions of the video. I'll do the full length build and I'll fast forward it for a shorter video as well. Looks like there's a couple of other, well, 4 others in the series, 3 others in the series. All labelled. Excellent. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.